Baking on a weekend morning is one of my ways to de-stress from a super busy week, especially when I'm making super simple Danishes. I'm starting off with a little mascarpone, and mascarpone is similar to cream cheese, but I find it to be even richer and more velvety. It's gonna be great in here. And I wanna just cream the sugar and this together. This needs a couple more things, starting with some eggs. And I'm not using the whole egg in this. I'm using only the egg yolk. That's how rich I want it to be. I'm gonna actually crack an extra egg yolk for the wash that's gonna go over top of these Danishes. And I'm adding it to just a little bit of milk. And I'm about to make this even better with some tart lime zest. I love the colors yellow and green together. It just screams morning. And whenever I'm making anything sweet, I like to mellow that down just a little with a pinch of salt. And my secret weapon to making Danishes that don't take hours to make, store-bought, all butter puff pastry. And when I bring it home from the grocery store, all I do is pop it into the freezer. And when I need it, I take it out, it thaws, and it's perfect. And what I love about it is that you can do this in so many ways. I mean, top this with some mushrooms and Gruyere cheese, and you got yourself a galette. Or add some mascarpone and some blackberries, and you've got yourself the perfect Danish. There's something so special about the smell of a freshly baked Danish. I think it reminds me of walking down the streets of France. You could be just about anywhere, and you can smell all those baked goods coming out of the oven. These are ready for the filling. And I love a juicy, tart blackberry in this. And I want to pack these Danishes with so much flavor. That's why I'm trying to get in as many as I can. Remember that egg wash from earlier? Just a quick whisk and it's ready. This is gonna be the glue that's gonna help me close these Danishes. All I need is a little dab in opposite corners. Then, seals right up. It's like a cute package. An extra little brushing right over top, and that's gonna make sure they're nice and gold in the oven. How easy was that? These are ready for the oven. Oh my goodness. What a sweet treat this is. When you bring this to the table, people are not gonna be able to keep their hands off of it. And just to top this off, I want just a little lime zest right over top. Is that gorgeous or what? Look at this. It's still warm. I love that flaky and buttery crust and that velvety and creamy mascarpone. I love that it's not overly sweet, and then that tang from the lime and the blackberries. This is an incredible combination.